welcome back to the channel. If you are here for the very first time, thank you for stopping by. My name is Ricky. I am a local truck driver in Ontario, California. You know, I do some pickup and delivering. So right now we're heading to we're going to do a pickup right now. We're going to pick up in Ontario. I've been to this location already before, so it should be easy. The subscriber talked to me, leaving me some comments. You know, how do you become a truck driver? So is it hard? You know, I mean, like, being a truck driver is, I mean, like, it's easy and hard. You know, the easy part is that, like, right now we're driving. Right now we're driving is easy, but backing up, you know, when you're trying to park your truck, that's the hard part about being a truck driver, at least to me. So I first started with CR England when I first got my Class A. So I started with them, and then I worked with FedEx Ground for 4 years. Back then when I was with FedEx Ground, we never do backing. We never park our trailer. We always drop and hooks. What it means is that you drop your trailer and you hook up to another trailer. That's it. There's no backing up. There's no because I'm driving double trailers, so there's no backing up with double trailers. You can, but you know, since I started local a couple months ago, you have to do backing. You have to park your trailer like maybe 3 to 4 times a day. You know, at first it's hard, yeah, but you get used to it. You know, you get used to it. But right now, for the people that are thinking about being a truck driver, just try it. You know, you have nothing to lose. If you guys are single, you know, don't have a family yet of your own, just try it. You know, especially if you guys like to travel around the state, this is the type of job that you want to do. You travel for free. You know, you travel for free, plus you're getting paid. So it's a win-win. But I'm just, you know, it's not, you know, being a truck driver is not for everybody. But if you can pull that through, you know, being as a truck driver, your first year, you're looking for experience. You're not looking for money. You're looking for experience. Because the more experience you have, the more job opening there will be. You know, I've been, like I say, you know, I've been driving a truck maybe 5 years now. So if I jump to another company, they will put me to a good pay, just because I have so much experience. With no speeding ticket, nothing. So yeah, if you guys thinking about it, you know, try it out. You know, try it out. Do some research. Just make sure that, you know, make sure that you are ready. Because once you're already got your Class A from, you know, from maybe like CR England, Swift, CRST, once you already have that Class A from them, you have to sign a contract with them, which means that you have to be with them for almost a year. If you do break the contract for some reason, you do break the contract, back then when I first started, I had to pay at least $6,000 just for the school. With the CR Englands, if you join CR Englands, you will have your license. They will put you as an automatic vehicle only. You can only drive an automatic truck. So if you have a stick shift truck, or if you do know how to drive a stick shift truck, you won't be able to do it. Just because CR England restricted for automatic vehicle only. So yeah, I'm just letting you know now, if you guys thinking about it, but I'm not sure about other companies. But what I know from CR England, you do have a restricted with automatic vehicle. But anyway, if you guys have any question about about this, comment down below. Talk to me. I do have my Instagram. If you guys want to do it, want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave my Instagram on the description, so you can talk to me. How to become a truck driver. I would love to help you guys. I would love to answer some question. If you guys have any question, don't be afraid to to ask me. I would love to help you guys out with with your Class A. But anyway, I'm almost here at the check-in area. So the warehouse is right here, but you have to go through the back. Like I said, I've been here before. That's why I know. See, all truck use back entrance, Charles Smythe Avenue. So that's what I'm gonna do. I believe this is a Dollar Tree General warehouse. We have to use the back entrance. But yeah, guys, just talk to me. If you guys really want to be a truck driver, any question that you guys have, talk to me, please. If you want to earn good money, this is it. But like I said, your first year, don't expect money. You're sinking for experience. 1 year. That's what you're sinking for. The more experience you have, the more company willing to pay you more. Just remember that. Alright guys, it's right here. I'm about to check in, and I will give you guys an update as soon as I get a door. Alright guys. Alright guys, they're just giving me a door right now. Door 35. It's gonna be right here, next building. Already opened the door, so I'm good to go. Oh, look at that, one of my companies here too. So we have 2 people from the same company are picking up with the same load. As you guys see right there, 201, that's my company. We're the same company. He's probably sleeping. Oh, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Oh, you waiting?
Yeah.
To lock it? Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Gracias, amigo. Alright guys, we are back. We're done with picking up a load right here in Ontario, Dollar General. So it's going to Dennisville, Ohio. The forklift driver that was helping me out earlier, he was pretty cool about it, you know, he was pretty chill. So, you know, sometimes, you know, you will find someone that is really rude to you, even though you're trying to be nice. But for this guy right here, the one that just helping me out, it was pretty nice. Uh-oh, I'm trying to go to the left. But yeah, like I said earlier, you know, if you guys have any question about being a truck driver, you know, DM me in my Instagram, you know, talk to me, you know, any question that you guys might have. Alright guys, we're back to the warehouse. I just back up to a door, so there's no more load. Oh man, it's been slow, man. Trucking industry has been slow this past few months. I don't know what's going on, you know. But yeah, we're done for the day, you know. I'm about to go to my car right now, switch to my car, and then get home. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. To the new people, you know, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you guys. You know, if you guys have any question regarding about being a truck driver, you know, regarding being a local driver, you know, you let me know. And then, you know, leave a comment below, DM me, you know, and I will answer any question that you guys might have, you know. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.